Welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today's 2-minute tip is another viewer requested one. If you have a request for a 2-minute tip, drop it in the comments below and we will try to add it to our video list. We always want to hear what you would like to see on the Hedgehog Hollow channel. It could be a tip, it could be a storage idea, it could be a technique you're struggling with. Maybe it's a stamp that you've got and you need some ideas for it. Drop it in the comments below and we will try to see what we can do for you. Now today, somebody asked me, how do I unclog glue bottles? Now I did the other day mention how to unclog spray bottles, and you can check that out in the top right hand corner, and you can check that video out. Now I did put this as the one tool that every crafter needs to have in their craft room, and that is the tonic craft pick. And if you watch my videos regularly, you will know I use this tool probably in every single project, every single video. It unclogs things, it takes dyes out, it adds my little pokey tool for things. It adds holes in my earrings when I'm making my leather earrings. You need this tool. If you're going to buy one tool in your craft gym, you want to buy this one. And if you're a Tonic Perks member, even a Hedgehog Hollow Perks member, you can get money off of this tool all the time and all of your tonic purchases. So check that out in the links below too. And I'll link this up as well for you. So how am I going to unclog this glue bottle? Now, I did have to actually clog up a glue bottle first to be able to show you how to do this. Now, all glue bottles are pretty much made in the same way. This is my Tonic's Deluxe Adhesive, and normally I don't really get clogs with this. So what I did was I put some glue in the nozzle overnight and I left it out to dry, which of course is not what you want to do, but for this purpose it worked perfectly. Now I have two plans of attack. So when you have a glue bottle, you will find normally this nozzle will come off. So you may not know that, but all you want to do is kind of just bend it and then that nozzle will come out. And what you're going to do is then just kind of pop your craft pick in, and you see my craft pick goes all the way up, and that big piece of glue that was stuck is going to come out the top. You see how that's oozing out, and you're just going to make sure you get all those pieces out the top. Now, if you have one of the super fine nibs, you see how all of that glue's just come out. That's all that glue that was stuck in there. You're going to grab a pin and you're going to do exactly the same thing. So you're going to put the pin in one way and the glue is going to come out the bottom. And then you're also going to poke it out the top, and make sure you also take off anything that comes out the top, because otherwise as soon as you pull that back in, you're going to pull that big lump of glue back in again. And then we're going to clean that off. Yes, I probably should have had some kitchen towel, which I have off to the side. I'll grab that over here. And we're going to do the same. So we're just going to make sure we clean our pin before we pull it back up through that nozzle. So now we're going to have a nice clean nozzle. Give it a nice little wiggle as you're going through as well. And then you're going to pop it back on the top. And I like using these pins, they are pretty pins. And then I have this little leather holder that you've seen me use before. Again, links in the video description for everything. And then you just clean your craft pick off. Someone also asked me about fixing their craft pick. If this comes off the ratchet, what do I do? Well, really simple. You just twist this piece and it comes out. You grab a pen lid. Greg was asking, why do you need my pen lid for your video? Well, you just pull this piece and you push down in here like this, and your ratchet piece, you can actually take this whole piece out if you need to. It will come all the way out the top, but you can just readjust that ratchet until it comes back on. And you see there, now my tonic craft pick is fixed, and I can put this bit back on the top and off you go again. And that is the same if you have the scratcher or if you have the craft knife. That is just how you replace the blade. So you just pull off this piece, press this down, and then you can pull out the whole piece, and you just put the replacement blade back in again and clip this back in, and off you go. So if you're going to buy one tool for your craft room, you're going to want to buy that Tonic Tim Holtz craft pick. Links in the video description, and of course if you're a Perks member, you can save money on it too. So you want to hit that join button and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications of our daily videos, tips, tricks, tutorials, and so much more here at Hedgehog Hollow. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's tip, and if you would like a tip or any video requests, drop them in the comments below, and check out all of our links in the video description, and I will see you again tomorrow. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye.